So, hi, Vishu. This is actually a result that I was waiting to share with you today. I told you, right? The company that I was trying, it just didn't click. But the same company, I got a call today and the offer letter is rolled out. So, so yeah, I gave it another a chance. I spoke to them. I told them a few things, and they were like, "No, you're the perfect one." So it happened like that. And I thought I used to be so hesitant. Should I take the step? Should I not? Should I talk? But today I was like, it's gonna be yes or it's gonna be no. Let me give it a try. And I was mind blown. I was jumping on the road. So this is a big result for me because in just a span of 10 days, I secured another new job. So that is a big
Wow.
thing for me with a good package. I'm yet to receive the offer letter. So that's one. And the second result, I was almost suffering with a very bad PCOS. My periods were skipping every 3 months, 4 months once. I never had like that. But then right now, I'm so glad and humbled to say my whole PCOS is like cleared. My periods have become regular. And the biggest third result, I've been battling with acne since seventh standard. And right now, as you see, my acne has gone so down, so less. Uh, just a few marks. I don't even need any treatment for that. It was a nightmare for me because everyone used to tell me do this, do that. But right now, I understood self love and accepting yourself and not being hard on yourself that you kept teaching us has brought me here. So these three are one of the biggest results because PCOS had like ruined my whole life. I'm happy for that because it helped me change my lifestyle, but then it was very hard for me to survive with that. But then it just, I was trying to think what is the result, and I'm like, okay, from past 6 months, my periods have stabilized. I'm like doing so good. It's a big deal for me. And I've secured a job today, and I was telling my mom, 9 o'clock, I need to tell to Vishu. 9 o'clock, I need to tell it to Vishu. So I'm here
Thank
telling it to
you.
you.
I'm so
Thank
happy.
you. Thank you.
Congratulations. I have no words for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.